Hello, my name is Gemma. I look after Wellis in Scotland. Today we're in my hometown, actually of Ayrshire is the shire we're in, and the town is Saltcoats. So this is a really good local job for me. So I'm really proud to present this spa here today, because the reason it's such a top seller is because it's only 2 metres squared. It's got 2 loungers in it and it's got seats, so it's really good for couples and families. Today the installation has been really smooth because I've just came through a fence panel, so it's been a very fast installation for our team. And today we also have upgraded this spa from a 13 amp spa to a 32 amp spa, and that's another reason that this spa is so popular as well, because you can have the best of both worlds.
We have recently taken delivery of our Pluto Hot Tub from Wellis. One of my friends, when lockdown started last year, got a Wellis Malaga spa, and after spending a few times at his house enjoying it, I figured with the last year we've had and not been able to get on holiday, we decided to try and enjoy ourselves more from home, which led us to purchasing this spa. So yeah, can't wait for it to get filled and get a couple of beers and get in and enjoy it. I think I will make the most of my hot tub after a hard day's work, or at the weekend, or a nice morning. Just be able to come out and relax and get over some of the stress which I have from the likes of my job and everyday life. Definitely do a little escape, and the fact it's in my back garden is very good, and I'm looking forward to it. The full process was fantastic from start to finish, from initially purchasing the hot tub. The communication I've had between then and today, the day of the install. The full install today has been very quick, very professional. The place has been left as it came in, everything's tidied up, very clean job, and got all the equipment, all the chemicals and full instructions on how to operate the hot tub. So yeah, no complaints at all.
We've just started filling it up. It should take around 3 hours to fill this spa, and then we would heat it up. It'll heat up naturally overnight, and then it'll be ready for the family to use in the morning.
I would absolutely recommend it. Can't wait to get in, and from using them in the past I know that I'm in for a real treat, and yes, I'd absolutely recommend Wellis to anyone.
This hot tub stands out from the crowd in terms of value for money, standard, quality, energy efficiency and suitability for absolutely everybody.